The pollen in New Jersey is no joke. I should take you down and show you my car. But because the weather is so nice, we have the slider open all the time. And as you can you see the footprints? Take my finger out of the way. Look at this. Guys, that's all pollen. It's all over my TV stand. It's bright yellow. I wonder if you guys can see it if I walk over to it. I don't have the best lighting in my living room. Look at this. It's yellow. Can you guys see that? Yellow. It's just gross. It's on everything because we leave the slider open instead of running the air because it's beautiful. It's like 60 degrees outside. I was gonna sit down for a few minutes this morning and read my new book. But when I sat down, the sun is coming in just the right way that I'm like, this is disgusting. So my goal today is to get that up. I think I'm going to have to Swiffer it. I think we're going to have to do some wet jet action today because that is just nasty. And it's on, I can see it. It's on everything. I don't usually sit here. This is, as you can see, there's my husband's blanket. This is usually where he sits when he's home. I always sit on the couch over here. So I think from that angle, you can't really see what's happening on the floor. But sitting over here right next to the slider where the sun is coming in, the sun is coming in just the right angle that I'm like, holy cow, where did all that come from? But I don't know if my camera translates, but in the natural eye, you can see it's yellow. It's not normal dust. It's bright yellow. I can see it's on my plant too. How do you dust a real plant? How do you dust a live plant? I have to Google that. Because I don't want that all over my plant. It's all over my plant too. I can see it. Anyways, as a homemaker, this is just unacceptable to me. But I had no idea that it was this bad. I honestly didn't see how bad it was from where I usually sit in the living room. I told myself I'm going to take 1 hour because I'm really getting into this to read. But now I'm not going to be able to because this is going to bother me. So, let's get rid of the pollen in the home. I am repotting plants. Still, I have so many. And that one in particular, that one is pulling on the rest. So I'm actually going to cut them off, which is a big deal. And Dozer's butt's in the way. Go lay down. Come on. Go over there and lay down. Back her up. Come on, you can do it. Go over there on the other side of the deck where there's more room. So it's a big deal for me. But I'm actually going to cut him because he's pulling on the plant. And he doesn't have any leaves or anything down here. So I'm going to cut him up to his little barb right there. I should just get up. See how he doesn't have any plants? But right here, I'm going to cut him right below, probably at this notch. And I'm going to put him in this cup of water and hope that he propagates new roots. And I'll have another new plant. And I'm going to repot my orchid, because the container she came in is super small, so I'm going to put her in this one. And yeah, still replanting, repotting. I love my house plants, and it's that time of the year, so I'm going to get some of this done. Put some Alrighty, so I got her replanted in her new pot. I think she's gonna do well here. And I reorganized the shelf and I put one of my other plants over here. And I wanna redo all of this. I just don't know what I wanna put here. And I think these shelves can use one more plant. And then I don't know what I want to do in this space, but I really want to figure out this wall. But I really think I need to take these down. I think I want to put something else there. And then this plant, she's doing good. She was about ready to die, so I repotted her and set her right in the window so she gets direct sunlight, and she's doing very well. I thought I was gonna lose this one, but I'm happy to say she's doing good. And this guy is very happy. This is a new plant. Well, a new leaf, I should say. And then look, here's another one. So he's very happy. He has a lot of pollen on him too, because he sits right in front of this window as well. But I want to add some more plants to my office. But I want to do something different. I need plant pictures. But I like the shelves, and I think the orchid's gonna do really good there. So I'm glad I got those repotted. So whereas my husband will have the garlic bread sub sandwiches, I'm going to put mine on a flour tortilla with one piece of provolone ripped in half. I'll put the meatballs down the center and then roll it like a wrap. And that'll be my sub sandwich for a lot less points than eating a whole half of a piece of garlic bread.